Welcome to Car Showcase. The 2026 Dodge Demon is finally here, and it's set to shake up the muscle car world like never before. Dodge has taken everything you loved about the Demon and cranked it up to a level that's hard to believe. This beast packs an astonishing 909 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful street-legal cars on the market today. If you've ever dreamed of feeling pure adrenaline every time you hit the gas, this is the car that delivers. Under the hood, the Demon combines a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine with an electric motor, creating a hybrid powerhouse. This means it doesn't just deliver mind-blowing speed and torque, but it also incorporates some modern efficiency to keep up with today's standards. The electric boost gives it lightning-fast acceleration, and the overall setup ensures the Demon dominates both the street and the track. Every launch feels like a rocket, and every roar of the engine reminds you why Dodge has always been synonymous with raw power. The design is pure aggression. The 2026 Demon keeps its wide-body stance, functional hood vents, and a front grille that seems to stare down anyone daring enough to race it. Dodge has balanced aerodynamic efficiency with sheer intimidation, and it shows. Inside, the cabin is a mix of luxury and performance. You get sport-focused seats, a cutting-edge infotainment system, and premium materials throughout. It's a car built for drivers who want both comfort and total control when pushing this machine to its limits. As for price, the 2026 Dodge Demon starts around $96,666 in the US. Considering the technology, hybrid powertrain, and unmatched performance, it's a serious value for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Dodge plans to release it in late 2025, with deliveries starting early 2026. With its limited production, it's expected to be highly sought after, potentially becoming a prized collector's item in just a few years. The 2026 Dodge Demon isn't just a car, it's a statement. It blends traditional muscle car ferocity with cutting-edge hybrid technology, showing the world that Dodge can innovate while staying true to its roots. For anyone looking to experience one of the most thrilling rides available, the Demon delivers an unmatched combination of speed, style, and adrenaline. Get ready, because when the 2026 Dodge Demon hits the streets, it's going to turn every drive into an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will meet soon in next video.